Okay, I'm back with another Lamil in a second. That's not that guy for this video. There he is. Welcome to another Overhaul video. Yeah, that's right, the big bad from the Shihei Saikai. He is here, and it is time to show what he is capable of. I played one solo match, and I played two of my friends, one to test his solo potential, and I also played two obviously with my friends to see how he works with team synergy. I think that he's very interesting, but he has a slight learning curve, so to use him properly, I think obviously he's going to need a little bit of practice. At least I need to practice with him. Some of you might be amazing with him. But I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the matches. Okay, so as said in the title, we're gonna be, well, in the intro, not the title, Jesus. We'll be playing Overhaul in solos to see how he works alone. Then I'll probably be playing some matches with my friends to see how he works in a team comp. These are first impressions, so don't think this is obviously his strongest. A lot of people will probably start to dissect his character and show you more advanced stuff. I am not one though, I am here to mess around. So, first move, Alpha. Obviously, he does a, cluster. Very good at burst damage. However, it has, for some reason, a really short range. It's like mid-range, but it feels short when you use it. Jesus Christ, man. Stone versus wood would win. And obviously his beta, he has 4 shots, which I did not think he had that many when I was, going to him. I figured that he would, just have, the 2 shots that was shown. No, he has 4. And they can just move on any surface, and they go exactly where you're looking. They are not auto-tracking, as I assumed that they would be. They are straight to the point. Wherever you're looking is where they're going. You're aiming over here. It has a set amount of range, but it isn't, like, insane. For example, I'm aiming over there. It's going to go there. But if I'm aiming all the way over there, it's going to go here. So it has a decent bit of range. Oh god, man. Jeez. You can do a lot of burst damage fairly quickly. And unfortunately we are fighting Endeavor, who is in fact really strong. Because he got a buff that will probably show eventually. So I'm playing in my area, because I don't want him to obviously get the upper hand. He's stronger outside, I'm stronger inside. He can do so much burst damage so quickly. And obviously he's a bit of a distance demon. So I'm going to use my heal again, keep up the attack, and obviously his Gamma, as we showed, is a stud. He can do so much burst damage instantly with that. I don't think his beta is insane, but I think it is good for thirsting people. You see it does a lot of damage instantly. That's our first kill. Took long enough. Now, what do I think is the strongest upgrade path? I played a few games, Jesus. And I do think his strongest upgrade path is Gamma into Alpha. And then upgrade your Beta last. Mainly because you get so much distance with your Gamma. And it does a lot of damage for what it is. like 120 with a lot of range and versatility, allowing you to essentially just kill someone practically instantly. Huh. That's another player I want to actually be able to heal up before I get into another fight. Now, his special action, you see me like use it bit by bit. It heals you basically to full HP, but only heals your shield to by not a lot. So it's best to use once you've lost your shield. Let that Deku go. He has obviously the other version, that is the get off me button. Now I can keep up my movement with her. Alright, let's keep up the movement against her. We'll flank around. She's probably not expecting me to run that way. We'll do the first, like I said, because it is really good at doing that. Like, that is insanely strong. So one's down in front of you, they are dead. As long as you have all your charges. We're doing really well, actually. 3 kills. He seems really good in the 1v1 sense. I think he's probably going to struggle with a lot of people. Even though he has an AoE, like, stun, essentially. Huh. Weird. I guess I'll finish these guys off. Whatever you win. And now I'm going to be able to use this immediately, get my health back. Was that rude that I did to him? Yeah. Now, I'm not really using the get off me button. Mainly because I think it's good against some targets, but not against others. Because you have to be getting hit a lot for it. So I think Strike Derby is going to suffer immensely from it. Like, you know, when he hugs, it's a multi-hit move, so he's going to get destroyed for it. You're just going to be able to say, nah, get off me, like, who said you can do this? Alright, I can't catch that. Get off of me! Alright, let's see. I want to keep up the attack on him. Alright, yeah, it looks like he did just a normal heal. And you get a lot of these as well, they come back fairly quick. Man, you can keep doing that. I'm gonna win this battle of attrition. That is a Samantha slot, and I am not a fan of that guy. Let's heal up. We're doing fairly well, but that Cementos is going to be a pain, so he's my main target right now. The other two I'll be able to fight down low, but the Cementos, he is a pain. Look, is the main target, Bakugo. The problem is here, like, I can't hit him through the walls. Because they're not going to go to him. They're going to go wherever I'm aiming. But that Cementos is a pain. He's not going to die. We need these two to kind of work with me. This is a strong Cementos. We can't exactly hit him up there. God damn it, Bakugo. Learn target priority. They're going just after whoever, it seems, but they're not seeming to target the actual guy who can win the game immediately. You have to learn who to actually target. Simpletons. Yeah, I can't do anything with that. I can't fight Cementos. I think he's a hard counter to a lot of the cast. And again, the Bakugo, he doesn't know who to target. Despite I think it being fairly simple. I mean, you got a guy you can't even hit. But I think we did fairly well. Problem was, obviously, we were outmatched by the Cementos. We can't hit him, he can hit us, we have no mobility to get to him. And our moves don't exactly go through his cement pillars. It was basically a losing matchup. I want to watch the end of this, yeah. See, if there is a Cementos, you want to target him. He is ridiculously strong. Anyway, that's our match with Solo. I think he's a really good single target. I think he's probably going to suffer in maybe online. Like, not online, multiple targets. But I think we did fairly well. And that's a good showcase that he has a lot of survivability. As long as he's capable of disengaging. He basically has 2 health bars. 6 kills, almost 5k damage, fairly well. And I will move on to some online matches with my friends. And we'll see how well he works in team play. So, see you in those matches. So, I'm trying to get used to Overhaul.
There's a helicopter flying over my house. I was wondering why everything started shaking a little bit.
You're getting nuked.
There's a helicopter?
Helicopter.
Yeah, there's a helicopter.
It isn't a helicopter, it's actually you, the Rolling Thunder. They're coming to bomb your home.
Oh.
Ah, that's what that is.
That's what the shaking is.
And then you just hear an explosion.
He's offline. She's offline. Fuck, man. God damn it.
You'll get it eventually.
I will eventually. Maybe. I don't count on it.
You will get it eventually.
You will. You haven't got a choice. No, honestly.
No, somebody use your own special action on you, and I mean the one where you only use 1 charge of it.
Sorry.
You better be.
Yeah, a card sphere.
English?
Have some
Spanish?
cards. Dumbass.
You liked out? Don't call me a dumbass.
Well, I didn't know that.
Dumbass.
I don't like the fact you spoke the truth.
I don't like the fact that you were speaking true truth.
You're a level 7 alpha.
This team by a landslide. I just took a bit of their HP, so they retreated. It's a back and going heater, and it looks like a strike derby. I can take the hits from strike derby.
He's moving very quickly.
Yep, it do be how we were. Get over the wall, Gareth. Come here. Get back in there.
Nah, they decided to come out here to get us.
Kick his ass!
Oh, I got hugged.
No! Oh,
You
fucking
cooked.
yeah, you're,
I'll just wait for your token to drop. Like, I wasn't pulling off the res in time.
Oh, I can get a res.
Yeah, you do that. I'm gonna head back into zone.
We actually might have been fully cooked there if that derby couldn't, because that derby got cooked by the zone.
Yeah. I think it's only the Derby left on his team. Oh wait, he's down?
Dead.
Oh, she got him.
Yeah, he died to zone.
And Jordis.
And multiple spikes through the rectum.
And cranium.
Yep, and, you know, everywhere else. Honestly, I think I just murdered him in cold blood.
I don't think it was cold. I think that blood was very warm.
Eh, true. True. Warm-blooded. A warm-blooded massacre. Didn't mean to do that.
Bro, you...
Not lady.
Understood.
Enemy overhaul.
Okay, I just blitzed her HP.
Understandable. I'll be heading over to our healer. Give me. Thank you.
Oh! Compressed trucks.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
hurt.
press is fucking good. Darby, you aren't involved in this. Go away.
This isn't about you.
You became irrelevant after season 3. You don't get relevancy for another 4 seasons.
You got kicked.
What the fuck was that?
Derby Blast. My heal isn't ready, so...
I've got a team regular health.
Understood.
Okay, so I'll pop this shield.
Die!
I'll tear you a new one.
Oh, you're gonna have multiple holes to shoot through when I'm done with you.
I did say they would get torn a new one.
I'm going to build you multiple shit tubes.
No, don't call them that. You fucking disgusting.
Ow! Come on, Toff.
No, Jonas is cooked.
Nah, Jonas is right. Right where he wants to be.
Alright, cool. Nice quirk disable you got there. Unfortunately, you forget I have the best melee in the game.
Watch out for some Mentori.
I
Oh,
thought
you know,
guessed-
I've just noticed something.
What?
Mage, get ready to
Yeah.
grab him. I was going to gamma him.
I got some level ups, please.
Uh,
'Cause I'm doing all
Execute
of
him,
it.
Mage, execute him.
Thanks. Because
Someone should take this.
Which one's the most mobile?
Neither of you.
I guess I'll
Which one
take
of you
it.
is better at surviving?
Me.
Ooh, I
Yeah.
see. Like, hand over that bait you just picked up.
how about that?
That works too.
Am I the only one without a revive card?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you did only just come back, so.
I also, I will also say this. I'm on a 3-1-1. We did that entire fight with me on 1-1-1.
Well, I mean, you do a lot of damage for what you are.
I still got 2 KOs.
I'll take a Vanguard.
Zone is apparently moving.
Yeah, it's.
Oh yeah, we're already on that edge.
I'll take this.
Let's see.
I'm gonna grab some heals from this, but that's it.
I'm gonna assume this.
Actually, wait, I need one level up. Oh wait, no, Team Enhancement Kit exists. Where did it land?
I drank it.
I can't see them,
There's-
so I'm going to assume that they're in fire zone.
Alright, and
Do
that was...
we wait for them to? Because we have zone advantage. Do we?
Yeah.
Do we wait for them to come to us?
Let's wait for them to come to us. We want to play the advantage. They are probably waiting on buildings. None of us have any vertical mobility.
True, we are all vertically challenged. Unless I throw you.
Hey, Mage.
Yeah?
Don't worry, I'll get that for you. The biggest waste of my special action.
Was that like 5 HP?
Yes.
1 point of HP down, actually.
So they're there. Let's see. Snipe that way, Mage, to see if you can hit them. You have more range than us.
Do I charge in or do I stay back and just wait to see if they
Stay.
approach?
Wait, we want to play the advantage. It's boring, but you know, you want to win, right?
Yeah, it's been too long. I want the dub.
It's been too long.
I haven't won since it was just me and Mecha.
Oh god. Alright,
Oh,
it's an
God.
Aizawa, which means he can see us, which means we should be able to
It's
see him.
a solo Aizawa.
Is it? Oh. Fuck it.
Yeah,
Oh,
look at, open the player list.
kick his ass. He's in the sun. And deleted.
Oh.
Functionally destroyed. Time to tear you a new one!
I literally looked at the player list. He was a solo with 1 KO.
Oh, I feel bad now. Damn it. That was anticlimactic. I feel bad.
A dub is a dub is a dub is a dub.
No, it's not the way to look at that.
Does it
Bless
sounds like this news?
It does not.
I'm heading to a quack, so...
Aquatic? There's a duck there?
A quack?
Aquatic?
Quack.
Such a quack.
Quack.
Wah. Wah.
Wait one sec, let me do my best duck impression.
Why'd I hear a gunshot? Yo, hold on, let me do my best duck impression.
What?
My best duck impression, just hit a nuclear bomb.
Yeah, then you said like, here's my best duck impression like that, and then just I heard a firework come, it sounded like you just blew a fucking duck's head off. Fucking
Well, yeah, the duck can't quack him, it's fucking dead.
Mick with a quacking.
Quack.
You appear to have taken my levels, Overhaul, and now you will die.
Huh. Oh, you're under attack. I thought you were talking about me.
I am.
I'm not under attack. I am the attack.
To be fair, when you're fighting a kendo, it pretty much is that. That is the case.
Damn, you lot didn't even get your shields.
I got a... Hi,
Thank you.
hi, Aizawa.
Hey, look, it's the guy from last match, I think.
No, not him again.
Oh, I feel bad for him. Yeah, he's down. And oh crap. Where
Yeah.
did he go?
Watch out for the the guy.
Watch out for trucks.
Watch out for the guy. Duh.
Wait, is he invincible?
No, he's just the guy.
No.
No.
Seriously, there is a compressor around here.
Yeah, I saw his.
Finally, a worthy opponent.
Oh,
Hello.
Our battle shall be legendary.
mage, over here.
Over here, have some free heals.
Yeah, I have shields in my hands. Come here and give me a handshake.
I'm gonna slam these shield pots around your face.
No.
You'll
Oh
still
shit. Someone killed Happy 100, we should probably panic.
Huh.
300.
It's a pretty good player.
It could just be a fluke, you know, just
Having a bad day.
yeah.
They literally cooked me earlier today.
Having a bad match.
In like, you know, could have, you
Yoink.
know. Oh, wait, no, I don't have any.
You is a
Like, you know-
motherfucker, you know that.
Kill.
You is a motherfucker, you know that? Good a bit.
I landed it. Are you proud of
I
me?
knew you
Are you
would.
proud of me?
No.
Just like my real parents, they're never proud.
We probably win.
But we won earlier. We won like last match.
I want to win again.
Yeah.
You do not understand. The grind never stops, Jordis.
It should stop. You know, we have fun.
Morty? Damn, so when are they going to play this on an episode of Rick and Morty?
I'm no Rick. I don't know if we should win. We have to win, Morty. We have to win. They got crystals. I need those hero crystals for an experiment, Morty. You don't understand.
I feel like that's not even an intentional stutter.
It wasn't. I got stuck in words.
That's just what happens when you voice the Rick and Morty
That's
characters.
what happens when I start stuttering. Enter stutter mode. Kill him. No, he's gone.
Well, he's gonna start raining down trucks.
No, he left. Pass me this way. That way. Yeah. Throw me. Alright. I wish to go. That way.
You know what ping to do. You have to do the I want to investigate ping.
Die. Wasn't a compressed, but you know, another
Nom
mission.
nom 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 nom. Hold on.
Another kendo.
Oh shit.
Another kendo. I know. Overhaul. We're equally matched. Ow, fuck.
Do they have it at bar?
Maybe. Ah.
Wait, are you playing as fucking Silver the Hedgehog? I just heard you say it's no use.
It's no use.
I'm the better kendo here. Sit the fuck down.
You can't win. It's no use. Oh, he's in the bushes. Ah, he's in the bushes. Ow, it hurts.
Nice boss chaos, bitch.
Die. This will kill my Ken. My Ibarra.
You
Die. Die.
shit and
Die.
Jordan's heal!
I'm healing. Don't worry. I got it. I got it.
Come on.
I have smallpox.
I have a team heal. Hold on. Hold up.
Oh, yeah.
Hold off.
I can't stop this, you know, right?
I wasn't. I thought
Hey,
you were
Gira. You want to see
What?
something scary?
Let me add to that.
I can only take the. Oh my god, that's a level 7 red beta.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I knew.
God damn it, let me heal her.
Bro.
So careless.
People there.
Yeah, I see
So-
the trucks.
I'm gonna activate this when they least expect it, and then be like, why isn't it running out? The power of a level 7. I am invincible.
No, duh.
Hey, I found the
What?
compress.
We're just fighting.
Nice.
Go.
God damn it.
I haven't activated the beta. I'm not even. Oh my god, it's level 8. I have a level 8 red beta.
I fell all the way down. This wall
Are
is...
you good?
No. The wall.
Jizuki, why? Wait, this is the wrong Jizuki.
That's not my
Now
name
I'm
anymore!
fucked. Yeah, it is. Fucking bitch. Show me your ID. Does it say Overhaul?
Yeah.
Help! I'm being cooked by Aizawa!
I can't help you, we're getting cooked.
You are within insta-res spot, so...
He's running now. I think he's locked.
Oh, I'm so hurt. It hurts, it hurts. I have a team to drink, I'll drink it. Start drinking. Understood.
He's got broken.
So are they sneezing left or right? Good call out, Serge.
Alright, guys, that was finally cooked. You know what? I think it's time to go even further beyond.
Oh no. He's beginning to
Okay,
believe.
nice. Getting bullied by an overhaul and a compress.
Yeah, I see.
You
Get off of me!
underestimate the power of a red card.
Okay, Jizuki's down.
Nice.
Damn, those two of them then.
Yeah.
Also, yes, he is the only character I have remembered the first name of.
That's his second name, isn't it? First name's Kai.
Oh yeah,
You lied to me. You lied to me.
Misinformation. Touch me.
Kira, throw me. I just use it on mage.
Shit, wrong button.
That way.
Go up. Turn that frog into dust.
I intend to. Run while you can, frog!
Yeah, while she's running, I'm gonna just
Yeah, heal up.
make sure she doesn't pop her res. If she does, kill. I think she went
I'm
that
not-
way.
Compress.
I wish to get yeeted.
Never mind.
Go.
That way. Into the zone. Huh? You got me right next to her.
Hey, listen, I can go. I have to kill this compress.
Shit. Yeah, that compress is terrifying. I think it's the compress and her on separate teams. We can't really attack the compress. We should focus the compress. The frog is easier.
You should touch me.
I don't have it.
Did you just use it on yourself?
Maybe.
I mean, I think we're a 3. I think both of their full teams are still in, so if they pop the res, that's 2 people coming back.
Yeah. I think the compress is our main threat.
That reminds me, Jordis, I'm going to give you a res card because I have 2.
Ah, I found the frog.
Where?
She was down low. She's over there.
Alright, take.
Get off me.
Found the compress.
Yeah, he's the bigger threat.
Alright, you take care of the compress, I'll just pressure the frog.
Understood. Ooh, I found another rescue.
The problem is he teleported.
Yeah, he can go up. That's the
Yeah, I
main
know.
problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't. We're vertically challenged, as we've established.
Yeah, well...
Out the frothy.
Oh, I just saw him. We can out-heal the Froppy.
Oh. But we don't need to, because Frothy's
Wait,
down.
he's dead in the fucking storm.
Oh, he teleported out of the zone. So many anticlimactic matches.
He teleported to someone and I just killed the frog with a single clap.
I think that's going to call it for that video, man. I can get off this character. Jesus.
Just saying, the compressors of that, he was not paying attention.
Shut up. And time for an honourable mention. Just a funny match where a glitch occurred in the recording. And just to let you know, this took us at least 4 hours to get these 2 matches of the W's. We do not work well together. Anyway, enjoy the honourable mention.
Think about it, you're playing 3D chess, I'm playing 5D.
No, what you're on about, I'm playing checkers.
Bro's playing the wrong fucking game.
I'm playing bloody Connect. What the fuck are you playing?
Bro's playing Uno.
No, that's me.
What the fuck are you doing?
That man's playing Snap.
Nah, Bro's playing Uncharted 3 for the PS2.
Oh no.
Don't even correct me on that, I know it probably wasn't on that console.
don't you fucking dare correct me.
Oh, we're cooked.
Our insta-rares, get over there.
No!
No, Midge!
Get back here, stop trying to fight!
Oh.
Overhaul. And now Derby.
Get to me, Midge, get to me! Get to me! There you are, get back in the fight, soldier. Oh yeah, now I have to... Oh,
Help.
that's a trap.
Here.
Oh, if you go down, our soldiers...
Darby's orb just hit my shield 3 times.
Damn.
With 1 orb. You save your heal for yourself, I've not got any aggression.
Oh, it wasn't that, I needed to just normally do heals.
Oh, you're out of special action?
People apparently.
Yeah, I used it on Mage to get him back in the fight.
Oh, okay.
And I need you to be on top of things. Because if
And my shield's almost gone.
Gira dies, you can just insta-res him. It's better for you to be in the fight. But team support Gira. I got him!
What'd you get?
The twice.
Wait, where the fuck did you go?
I knocked him. Oh, he left. Ditch. Got him.
There's a Darby over there.
Ah, you should heal, yeah.
Where did you go? Or was he a twice clone?
Help!
Overhaul.
Revive me!
Revive me!
Face shield isn't even available yet, man.
Yeah.
But I'm dead.
Don't worry, we'll get you.
No, you don't. I'm gonna die right about now.
I restored your dead body!
Huh?
I was restoring you!
No!
Wait, does that mean Overhaul can restore people who are down?
No, he just used my special action.
Oh,
Yeah, you're cooked right about now.
Ow.
oh, they're down together.
And my plus chaos came back. Well, that's a glitch. Because I thought I was like, oh, I'm gonna restore mage, and then it's like, wait, no.
Where the fuck did it go?
And that's the end of the recording. If you enjoyed my content, consider, subscribing. I hope you learned a little bit about Overhaul and how he works from my mediocre gameplay. If you want to see more from me, except for my atrocious upload schedule, I do appear a lot in Gira Knight's videos, so you should check her out. if you want to see more from me and more funny moments with her friends. Also, her videos are a lot higher edited in comparison. So if you want edited content, over there. Anyway, I will see you in the next upload, which will possibly be around when the Todoroki skill set appears. I am a little more active on streams, but don't count on any streams of this game mostly, because it's mostly a lot of losses. So if you're there for that, tell me in, the comments, and maybe I'll do more streams on this game. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Adios, bye bye, and enjoy the rest of your days, as they are numbered.